Alright class, today we are going to talk about Christmas. Hey. Who just burped?
It was me, Mr. Jesus the DVD Collector 2005. Excuse me.
HandyPylan Oso Tanny 2021. I can't believe you burped in my class. You know burping is very rude. That's it. Go to Principal Princess Peach's office right now.
So what brings you here to my office, HandyPylan Oso Tanny 2021?
I burped in Mr. Jesus the DVD Collector 2005's classroom.
Oh, that's it. You are expelled. Go home right now.
HandyPylan Oso Tanny 2021. I can't believe you burped in Mr. Jesus the DVD Collector 2005's classroom at school today. And you even got expelled as well. That's it. You're grounded for 184 days. Go to your room right now.
Yeah.